Hello, how are you? I would like to present our flood and facility monitoring system. Our new monitoring system has applied four main technologies. One is a video analytic to gain the water level. Second one is a microservice architecture for cloud service. The fourth one, adequate communication to transmit the data or imaging. Fourth one is service-based platform for different users. Using for this technology, we develop four main functions. One, flood monitoring. Second, facility status monitoring. Third one, RTU remote control. First one, trace log for RTU and water level. For this function, let me introduce more detail. After you log in, you can see the dashboard. Dashboard integrate, separate, and simulate. In this dashboard, for simulate for the simulation the data, and if you click it, the circle one, you can see the ultrasonic level of water and image-based AI water level. And then this then compare sensor data and video analytic data. Also, you can see the image to find the status of the river or stream. If the water level is of the threshold, the alarm will be automatically activated and pop up. And this system will show all the list of the water level. And also in this screen, you can see the activate station in total station. For the facility monitoring, in this screen, you can see that the active state of station and temperature, humidity, door status, and fan on off, and also level of battery. And also you can see trace the temperature and humidity. If temperature humidity over the limitation, the fan will operate automatically to cool down the inside the enclosed. Next one is management RTU. Management RTU, you can register do RTU with threshold and then the location, latitude and longitude. In this screen, in case something failure in RTU or fuzzy router, you can reboot the RTU to start again because some malfunction occur. You can use this button to restart the old RTU. In here, also you can activate Siren, give to alert to power. In the future, we have two functions. One is for the station level. Another one is the operation center level. This siren can be activated. Next one is about the tracing for law. The RTU status can be traced based on timestamp, temperature, humidity, door on off, fan, and battery gauge. In case the restart, reboot the RTU, also you can see the log file of the remote activation of RTU. RTU data also can be traced here so that the log file of the water level, you can see the digitized level of the water level. All these functions, we developed this one to improve the current limitation of the flood and facility monitoring system. If you use our system, this system will make easy maintenance for remote RTU without dispatching service engineer. In case the RTU is installed far away, it takes a long time, but it can be reduced time to maintain this RTU. Second one is water level recognition can be done sensor and image to prevent the malfunction so that operating center will recognize, compare to water level, and then make a decision. Third one, automatically display the station that is over the threshold of the water level. It could be activate the evacuation alarm for the citizen. The first one, the alarm can be activated at the station level and operation center in case the user from the province or district, the user can log in and activate the alarm siren for their own territory. If it covers two provinces, the operation center can take over the responsibility to give an alert to the citizen. That was all our presentation we had. We hope our system can support to people and then can save people's life and property. Thank you so much for your concern.